Hey y'all, welcome back to Just a Little Kick. Today's video I am showing 4 different recipes: pizza roll-ups, some Pop-Tarts, fried Oreos, and then taco roll-ups. Let's get into it. So first up is our pizza rolls. So you'll need string cheese and just your Crescent roll cans, and then you'll go ahead and start cutting them in half. Then you'll unroll the dough and then tear them apart into the little triangles. Go ahead and put the piece of cheese in there, roll it up. Make sure you try to secure the edges, and you'll just keep going. Some of them are just regular cheese. The other half, you'll see I'll put the pepperoni in there, and this is turkey pepperoni. Obviously use what you prefer, but and then you'll put it in there, roll it up, and then in order to distinguish between the two, I just added a piece of pepperoni on top of there. For the topping, you're just going to use a melted butter and then put some Italian seasoning in there. I probably used about a tablespoon or so, along with some garlic powder. And then you're just going to brush it over the top of all of them and then bake them in the oven. I baked them for about 11 minutes on 350. That's it. I just served it with a side of marinara sauce. Up next is our apricot Pop-Tarts.
I don't know, feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you.
Alright, this is the easiest recipe out of all of them. It doesn't require much at all. So this time you're going to take 2 of those triangles and you're going to put them together to make a square. And then you are going to just fill it in halfway or half of the square with the apricot jam, and then you'll fold it over, and then after that you will put fork marks in there to make little indents like pie crust.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about.
You want to sprinkle a little bit of granulated sugar on top, and then dashes of cinnamon on top of each one.
I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words.
Your oven should be preheated to 375, and you're going to bake it from 9 to 12 minutes.
I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse, no.
While that is in the oven baking, let's get started on our little drizzle here. So all you need is about a cup or so of powdered sugar. And then if you've been around here for a little while, you will know that I always use coffee creamer to flavor my frostings and that kind of thing. So this time, this is the coffee creamer I had in the fridge, this Grinch sugar cookie. So that's what we're going to use, and you'll just use a couple tablespoons and just keep stirring it with a whisk until it is to your desired consistency.
Just get me out of how can you be so calm?
Alright, so then you'll just go ahead and drizzle the glaze over the top, and then I just added some little cute fun sprinkles at the end. Up next is fried Oreos.
You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way.
Okay, so this time you're going to actually roll out the entire sheet of Crescent rolls, and then you're going to use a pizza cutter and cut it into about 7 pieces. And obviously I didn't do that very evenly, but if you have that skill, go ahead and do it evenly. And then you're going to place one Oreo in each sheet, and then you're just going to fold it all over, roll it up basically.
I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and spray the basket with some non-stick like butter spray, and then it is on 320 degrees, and you're gonna air fry these for 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes, go ahead and check it to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. If you need to add a little bit more time, then I would say just add it in very small increments because you don't want to burn them, like 1 minute intervals. So let's go.
But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. No, we over.
Tell me I need a sifter without telling me I need a sifter. I never think about that until I'm like watching my video back and I'm like, why don't I have a sifter? But anyway, go ahead and put all the powdered sugar on there, you know, cover them up as much as you like, and that's it. Very delicious.
Look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous, but if you want it, tap it. I think that I know somewhere that we.
Up next are these taco pockets. You'll just use your ground turkey or ground beef, season it up with the taco seasoning. Then you're going to add a little bit of nacho cheese in there, and then you're going to stuff like half of the little square with the meat and then bake it in the oven.
Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
At 375 for, again, 9 to 12 minutes. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye.